a lot of wood.
It is.
I don't want to knock the wood off.
You don't want to knock them off?
Yeah.
What you gonna knock them off of? You see them all over the place. They like French fries, Garrett. You see them? Wow, look at that. You see the white one, Garrett? I guess they're flying. Yeah, they like French fries.
Is it not working?
Yeah, it's working, Garrett.
What's the line saying?
I don't think it's gonna knock it off either. You know, I just thought that, you know.
It's soft cloth. So.
Yeah, all right. So am I ready to let go? Oh, okay. You ready to go through, Garrett? Huh? It'll be fun.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it will. Okay, thank you. Here we go.
Want to cover my ears?
Why? Look, it's a real car wash. Look, Garrett. Is that neat? Is it neat? What's that? Oh, look. That's like a hair dryer. Hear the wind? It's blowing the car dry.
What's the round thing? Is it not going around?
There was round things.
Is it the mountain? Is it not going I want to look back.
And the old M&M's. It's in Shell's back seat. And somebody dropped. Somebody named Garrett. Let's get the dirt off of Garrett.
I want to hold it.
Whoa, look. Hold this.
What am I going to do?
What?
Do it again. Ah!
Pull it out. I gotta go to the other side. I gotta come around.
Oh no! Oh no!
What happened? What? It's okay. plastic.
Yes, it. Yeah, oh, man. Oh, crap. I'm whipping it out. Like I died, you know. Oh, no. Oh, no, I whipped it. No, it's not doing. Oh, I just ripped it off.
What? I do have to pee pee. I have to pee pee.
You have to pee in the woods.
I have to pee pee in the woods?
Yeah,
Why?
because you want to pee in trees on there.
I peed in the woods before. Do you remember?
You put in
When we were at the creek, Shaw had to pee pee in the woods.
the tail.
What?
Tail was in the woods to pee.
Yeah, Shaw had to pee in the woods.
Tail will need to pee in the woods. Tail did.
I don't like to pee in the woods
Why?
because a bug might bite me on the butt. What if a bug bites me on the butt?
What's gonna do?
I don't know.
What's gonna do?
I don't know. It bite me on the butt.
In my pot. In my. The bug don't want the poo-poo. The bug might get sick.
If the bug might get sick if he eats poo poo.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he might. He might go. Ugh, yuck. That tastes like poo poo. He says, "Ooh, I thought that was a baked potato, but that's poo poo. Yuck." I don't think I want to eat poo poo. Do you?
Someone's gonna get sick.
Yeah, you'll get sick if you eat poo poo.
Someone's gonna get sick.
Still what?
So, where are you going?
Home Depot.
Wow!
What's wrong with you, Goofy?
I'm going down the hill.
Oh yeah, we are going down a hill. It's not a very big hill.
Is it fun?
I don't know, was it?
Is it fun?
I don't know. Was that fun to you?
Yeah.
It wasn't a very big hill.
Is it not big, really big?
It's not a really big hill.
Is it a baby hill?
It was a baby. What does Shell like to do?
Projects.
Yes, Shell likes projects.
Phil likes projects.
Yes, Shell loves projects.
Phil likes projects.
Garrett likes experiments and projects.
Oh, yeah, I like experiments.
Yeah, you like experiments.
I make elephant toothpaste. I make elephant toothpaste last year.
You make elephant toothpaste. You like to make volcanoes.
I did it.
You did it. I know.
I did it.
I know.
I don't. It was cool in it.
Yes, it was cool.
I don't want to tell the elephant toothpaste up. No.
No, 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 no.
No.
Yeah, it's got flowers in it. Nana likes Home Depot and Shell likes Home Depot.
Nana likes flowers.
Nana loves flowers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is those?
Look at those little houses.
I like to live on nails.
You would like to live in one of those?
Yeah.
That's kind of small, ain't it?
Yeah, I like to fit in there.
You like to... Let's go to this one. This one.
That one.
Ooh, it's really big, Garrett.
Is it not got a table in it?
No, it don't have a table, does it?
So get in it.
It's really big. Do you like it?
Oh, man. Wow.
This is a big house for Garrett.
Yeah. I do feel inside there.
Garrett, I got to pee. What?
I do feel inside there.
You can do experiments right there?
Yeah.
Okay, go in that one.
Is it not too dark? Is it got a bag in it?
Uh-huh.
I want to touch that bag. it not got doo-doo in it? Is it not got doo-doo in it?
Garrett, no, it don't have doo-doo in it. Why would it have doo-doo in it?
Is it not? I'm gonna touch it.
Well, go touch it. Go touch that shelf, little boy. Why are you asking if it's got doo-doo in it? It's got a garbage. You think it's not got doo-doo in it?
Still, get in it, Still.
Besides your work?
Still, get in this one.
You go in it. We went to the car wash.
Oh, look.
He looked a little scared.
Still.
Oh, it's broke, Garrett. All right. All right, bye. Here, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I really have to pee. Come on, big mouth. Shake it. Shake your groove thing. Shake your groove thing. Yeah, yeah. Do your bubble dance. Show them how to move it now. Shake your groove thing. Shake your groove thing. Yeah, yeah. You like this one?
I do elephant toes right there.
Yeah.
Is it like that?
Let's go look at the next one. Be careful. Oh, this is the best one of all.
Is that still?
Yeah. Look in that one.
So come up the stairs. So come up the stairs.
Okay, I'm coming.
So come up.
Okay. Whoa.
Is it got a bed in it?
Does it have a bed in it?
Yeah.
I don't think so. You can go look.
Is it? Oh.
But I could live in this. Go ahead.
Is it got a bed?
No, take a few more steps. Look over here now. See? There's no bed. Look. Can you see?
It's not that bed.
It's not got a bed in it.
I'm a pile.
Hiya.
What's it gonna do?
Nothing. Come on, Shell's got pee-pee bad.
Sail.
What? Come on.
I need to.
You want my hand?
Sail, come up again.
Shell got pee-pee though. Now look. You wanna look out the window? Wow. Is that neat? Let me see. Where's your ball? Throw your ball out the window.
No.
No? Okay. All it gets.
Good guitar.
Look.
I don't like it right there. I don't like it right there. I don't like it right
That's how you like it like that.
I want to do it like it's going. I need to go outside.
You're so goofy, boy.
I want to go in Sam's car.
You are going in my car. How else would you get home?
Sam's house. You turn it down. I turned it.
Look, my battery's almost over. Come on.
Is it almost over?
Yeah.